What's up, guys? This is Tampatec, and this is my wife, Jerica, and I'm going to teach her how to fix her Oster slow electric roaster that broke. So what's going on with the slow electric roaster?
Doesn't heat up.
Doesn't work at all, or does it light up?
There's no light indicator in the front. It just doesn't.
Oh, there's no LED on/off light? Alright, so that usually helps troubleshoot that LED light, but since there's no LED light, we're going to have to open it up and see if it's actually getting any voltage running through it. So first thing we're going to check is the fuse, obviously, but you don't know until you open it up, so make sure it's unplugged from the wall, and let's go ahead and look for the screws, probably on the bottom. Alright, there's 2 screws on the bottom, and there's 4 feet, and sometimes there's screws under the feet, so keep that in mind. If you can't take it apart, then look under the feet and see if there's screws. So let's go ahead and we're going to switch to this camera and do overhead shot. I'll let you do it. Go ahead. No, you do it. Alright, so we're going to remove this stuff. I guess this keeps the heat in, all this insulation. Here's the wires. This is the power cord coming out, and then here's going into the thermostat probably, or a fuse. Let's go ahead and remove this one too. You don't want to shake this around, you get it everywhere. It's look really messy. And wash your hands afterwards. It's fiberglass, I think. Alright. And so the fuse, where's the fuse? Probably around here, right? So it goes here. And this is part of the power cord, just one end, and then here's the other. It looks like it goes to this thermostat. So this is the dial right here to adjust the temperature, which is probably controls the thermostat. Let's remove this right here. Make sure you remember everything it goes. And this is solid. Look for any like loose wiring, loose connections, bad fuse, burned parts.
Burnt part.
This looks toasty. Oh, and look, it broke off. So this is obviously bad. So we're gonna have to solder that on, or maybe I think it might get so hot the solder will probably melt, right? So we're gonna have to reclamp that. So remember how everything goes back on. Let's go ahead and remove this.
Is that other one okay?
Yeah, this one's fine.
What about that one?
This one feels good.
Can I ask you why is it gray, dark brown like right here?
It gets dark brown because I guess it gets hot. That's why you have all this, what is that, ceramic around it to protect. We found one. It looks like the perfect size. So it should match up pretty good. Alright, we're good. Alright, now what I want you to do is I need you to go ahead and crimp that on there, just like that. I'll go ahead and hold it, and you just go ahead and crimp it. So we're going to make sure it's all the way in, and make sure the wire comes out just a little bit. So we're going to have to see that. Just crimp it all the way down. Squeeze it real hard. All right.
We didn't put the ceramic piece on.
Oh, we forgot to put the ceramic piece on. Silly us. We're getting a little ahead of ourselves. Oh, you definitely crimped it good.
Okay.
Probably gonna need another one.
Should I go get one?
Here we go, got it. All right, let's go ahead and put these back on. Face it the same way.
We're only gonna be able to put one on, not two.
Yep, that's fine. Go ahead.
Okay.
That's good. Now let's go ahead and screw it back in. If this works, then we never have to do an extended warranty on these roasters. Screw it in by hand. Screw it in by hand. Oh, never mind. You want? So what we do is we're gonna lower that torque to like 3 or 4, so it doesn't strip it out. So let's go ahead and tighten it all the way. Is it tight? Oh yeah. Yep, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
It was under this.
Oh yeah. It doesn't touch the cloth, I guess.
No, I could have sworn it was one in the front over here. A little something like that.
Yeah, I think so. Rinse my hands.
Well, it needs to be turned on and heated
All right,
up.
so we're gonna plug it in now. And
It needs to be heated up.
I hear it.
I hear it too.
You can hear it turn on. This is a really cheap one, right? How much is this?
This one was like 20 something bucks.
$25 or something.
Yeah.
All right. Is that good?
Yeah. Does it smell okay?
Yeah, it seems fine. All right, so the Oster slow roaster is fixed, and you have another slow roaster, right? Which one is that?
My Proctor Silex.
Is that older or newer?
Oh, 4 years old.
4 years old, and it's anything wrong with it or no?
Not a thing.
So that one, how come you don't use that one?
I do. Sometimes I need two.
Oh, okay. And the Oster is the junky one?
I got 3 uses out of it. Total. 2 to 3 uses.
Is it? It's not even a year old, right?
Not even 6 months old.
And it already broke.
Yeah.
Well, at least if you guys own an Oster slow roaster, you know how to fix it, right? Give me a thumbs up for that. And good job fixing your slow roaster.
Thank you.
So at least you know how to fix it if it does break. The Proctor, however, I'll leave a link in the video description below. So if you want a reliable slow roaster, click on that link. It's an affiliate link that supports the channel. And give her a thumbs up for fixing her first electronic device.
Yay, me.
Yeah. Share this video to anyone that has a slow roaster that might find this video useful. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Later, guys.